Thank you, Professor Pant. And I have been fortunate to be associated with this, the evolution of this. I think the points taken by, told by Professor Premrat vis-a-vis the statistics are valid, but one should also take into account what is not shown is there are many who come up to the last stage of application and then they don't apply. So that is also there. So, but overall, what was a good thing about it is, as Professor Pratt was pointing out, I am also from 1985, the later part of my ISRO stay, I used to come for some CII meetings and some university meetings, etc. Industry academia interaction. At once I just took away so many of the earlier documents and threw them away because space was not enough. So it keeps on coming and then people keep on telling the same thing. So what I like little positively about this is at least one try to parameterize. I won't say objectivize. Making an objective measurement is very difficult in such complex processes, but at least some parameterization going down into the thing. I was reminded about in MIT, the 1970 when we designed the INSAT. I am telling you an equivalence of it. One person used to be there. In those days, all these complex structural calculations were not programmed. Everybody will go to him, the future satellite definition, after defining. He will take a pencil and he will take this box, that box. Telemetry box will be 3-4. He will write some 3-4 pages and then write ounces, of course, pound and ounces. So do it, and people have told me that that person, whatever he estimates, even after the satellite development, there will be only 3% difference. Individual items may vary. So to that extent, at least it has tried to parameterize. That is a positive thing, but it is only 10%. The reasons are manifold. Some don't want to tell because they themselves evaluate. Oh God, I am so low. Because this is published. If it was buried under a file, they would not mind telling it. So there is a complex sociological thing about it. So, but on the whole, the positive effort is it is being at least some people are ready to do it. Some number low is because those who have already got it, we know 3 times they are doing consistently well, we push them away. We call them mentor. Because no point the same college will be getting again and again and again. The others are not. So this year we are given, I think, 4 mentors because they have done very well. So this is one item. So now also one decision has been taken that the mentoring, those who are mentored ought to mentor. They have to take at least some 10 other institutions and work with them. So I am not going to elaborate on this, but 2-3 very important points which Professor Premrat said, which can be derived out of this exercise. This is what I want to tell it. One is, take some of the bottom ones. Those who enter, doesn't matter, those who don't enter, they are afraid, so leave them. In the bottom one, and just as Shalini's one program, tomorrow is there, I think tomorrow is 4th, no? That I3, we did it for under 18, innovation for under 18, Intel and DST. Then they said that why under 18 alone, why not 18 plus? So when we were doing it, industry said, why are you doing only for institutions and individuals? We are also doing innovation. And this day, past 2-3 years, that is running. Professor Devan Kakar and we all sat, I think, 2 days before. And it's now becoming so much that we are finding it difficult to contain it within categories. They themselves, that is, they should have put the product inside, it should have been new, the innovation. So, using that same analogy and using what Professor Premrat said, let the bottom few may be taken. In addition to the mentoring by the academic institution, one should say, I think you floated to, I think, Vijay Tadani and Naushad 4. I think they will be very, in fact, Naushad 4 almost said a number of items what Professor Premrat said. He says, please, you are not getting a favor from us if we help you. Yeah. It is you are to demand because we need it. We need it for, in this same place he was standing and then spoke. He told about it. I think they will be positive. Incidentally, Naushad was also likely to be the next president CII, so you can ramp it. So what can be done, derived out of this, you can take a past this year's survey, so for example, or last year's survey, whichever, let them choose. We can give you this whole, take about 100 of them. Let industries, not on the top, they should try to choose towards the bottom one. And let them say, we are going to help them out to go through these parametric sieves, so that they are made better. And after 1 year after that, they can be judged how many people have done. Between themselves, there can be an award, saying that which industry has made a larger strategic. You need not limit that you have to be only 10. 100 of them, or you choose somebody else outside also, and do that. And those who do well, and that will be evaluated. They can't only say that I did the CSR, etc. Have another group of people, some academics, some industry people, have it evaluated. It is derived out of this, a byproduct of it. And that will be a very added value. That is, you are pushing it from this side and you are pushing it from that side. So that will be a good one. Over a period of 10 years, I think that there may be a more convergence, because the other part also, what I said about the industry innovations, they are doing well. They are going towards some labs and some little things which are being done. So I thought I will share with this item can be done.
Yeah.